Puri, Sambit Patra sparked a massive political controversy over his Lord Jagannath is a bhakt of Prime Minister Modi comment. While speaking about Odisha's culture, Sambit Patra said that Lord Jagannath is a devotee of Prime Minister Modi. However, the BJP candidate from Odisha's Puri later clarified that it was a slip of tongue as he was talking about his rivals, asked his rivals not to make an issue out of a non-existent issue. Sambit said that he gave a number of reactions to multiple media channels, and everywhere he mentioned that Modi ji is an ardent bhakt of Sri Jagannath Mahaprabhu, but in one of the bites pronounced just the opposite. Listen into what Patra said.
मोदी को देखा लक्षाधि लोक आसछंती मोदी भक्त जगन्नाथ आमे सब हूँ मोदी परिवार जन ये जो अद्भुत दृश्य मु तो मोर इमोशन कंट्रोल करि पारुनी आ मते लागुची ये सब ओडियां आज गोटे बहुत विशेष दिन.
And after facing flack, Sambit Patra posted a new video. He says he will keep a fast for 3 days to repent and rectify his mistake.
नमस्कार, जय जगन्नाथ. क्षमा करेंगे मो गला टी बसी पड़ी. आज गोटे गुरुत्वपूर्ण विषय में आपण सागर साक्षात्कार करी. आज सकाळे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी पुरी रे विशालकाय रोड शो थिला. रोड शो बहुत सफल है. रोड शो परे अनेक मीडिया सांगरे मोर साक्षात्कार है. 20-21 मीडिया सांगरे मोर कथबार्ता होती. समस्त को मु समान भाव में कही कि प्रभु श्री जगन्नाथ अनन्य भक्त होचंती नरेंद्र मोदी. नरेंद्र मोदी महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ को बहुत मानती. तांकर भक्त आज तांकर आशीर्वाद लोड़ी दर्शन करिसेंती. से भितरे गोटे
Pragya is joining us with more details. Pragya, Sambit Patra says slip of tongue, and he's also saying that he's going to now fast to repent.
The explanation that Sambit Patra has already given that he gave number of bites that day and to different media channels, and in one bite mistakenly he said that Prime Minister even Jagannath is also a bhakt of Narendra Modi ji, but he accepted his mistake, and he said that during one of the bites, because I was out campaigning and I was answering number of questions, this is when I made a mistake, and in fact he has now said that he will go on fast for 3 days to repent for that. But this has become a very big political issue in Odisha. There is sentiments attached to Lord Jagannath as well, and this is what Mr. Naveen Patnaik, the Chief Minister of Odisha, when attacking Sambit Patra, he is trying to leverage, and he is trying to say that a man cannot be above God. But look at Sambit Patra, who is contesting the election. He in fact placed Prime Minister above God. So it is yet to be seen how much can BJD capitalize on this particular issue. But Sambit Patra had done a course correction. He had come in advance and said that I repent, I'll do the fast, I'll do fasting, and this was by mistake that I did that. But whether voters are going to buy it and how much BJD can leverage is yet to be seen, in the elections.
All right. Thank you very much, Pragya, for getting us the details. With that, we're slipping into a short break.